How to delete Instagram chat from both sites permanently. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to delete Instagram chat from both sites permanently. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Now without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure you have the updated version of Instagram app so that you can enjoy the latest features and remove all the bugs from it. Ensure to log into your particular account. After that, tap on the chat icon at top right corner of the screen. On this chat section, choose any particular chat where you want to delete the Instagram chats from both sides permanently. So let's navigate to it and open it. Suppose for a particular message, if you have sent a message to this user, you can easily tap and hold the messenger or the message of this Instagram and tap on the Unsend button from this pop-up box. And after that, when you tap on send button, it will remove the message for everyone. And once you have done that, it will be vanished from this section as well. To delete the entire chat or conversation from the Instagram from both sides permanently, you can tap and hold a particular conversation. Now tap delete button and delete it again. After that, it will be deleted from your sites permanently on Instagram chat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.